In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the headlights on the Freightliner Cascadia. It's very simple. As you can see, I already replaced one. The reason I replaced them is because this one was broken. So I just replaced that one, and I'm going to replace this one too, just so they can look new on both sides. All you have to do to replace them is go inside the hood right here and unplug all the light bulbs. So you have this one right here, and the one on top, and remove these 4 bolts. This 10 millimeter, got 2 up there and 2 right here, and the light will come off, and just put it back in. So let me show you how I do it right here. So I got the plugs off. I'm just gonna remove the 10 millimeter bolt right here. So it's off now. I'm just gonna put in the new one. As you can see, the new ones, they have the stud right here, and they come in with the bolts already, the light bulbs. So all you have to do is just put it back in, align the holes, so it's basically in already. I'm just gonna put the nuts back in. They just plug in the light bulbs. So the new ones come with the plug already. All you gotta just plug it in. So it's ready, it should work already. Let me turn them on so you can see. So as you can see, it's working already. Got the flashers and the high beams and the low. Just in case you want to buy one of these, I got them on eBay. I only paid $137. So they come in with the bolts and everything. It's pretty easy to replace. It'll take like 10 minutes. So thanks for watching.